Hello everyone, it's me Fareeha. I'm here with another interesting topic today. First of all, do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Let's see what is here for you guys. So today we are going to learn the use of fond of. So let's see the meaning of fond of. It means having great liking for someone or something. किसी चीज़ या काम का शौकीन होना, किसी को बहुत पसंद करना. Doing something a lot, कोई काम बहुत ज़्यादा करना. So here you have the structure for present tense. The structure is subject plus is mr plus fond of plus fourth form of verb plus object. So here you can see that we use is with he, she, it and any singular noun. And we use am with I, we use are with we, they, you and plural nouns. And next we have fourth form of verb. What is fourth form of verb? When we attach first form of verb with ing, it is also called present participle. And here we have the example. For example, play is a verb and here we write ing with it, so it is called playing. So it is called the fourth form of verb, which is also called the present participle. So I hope you understand this. I have some examples for you. He is fond of playing cricket. वो क्रिकेट खेलने का शौकीन है. Next we have I am fond of watching movies. मैं फ़िल्म देखने की शौकीन हूँ. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं कि आई के साथ मैंने एम का इस्तेमाल किया है एंड फॉन्ड ऑफ मीन्स के शौकीन, वॉचिंग मीन्स देखती हूँ एंड मूवीज़ मीन्स फिल्में. सो नेक्स्ट वी हैव शी इज़. शी के साथ हम इसका इस्तेमाल करेंगे. शी इज़ फॉन्ड ऑफ रीडिंग बुक्स. वो किताबें पढ़ने की शौकीन है. यहाँ पे लड़की की बात हो रही है तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे शी का वर्ड यूज़ किया है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ही की बात हुई थी, लड़के की बात हुई थी. ही इज़ फॉन्ड ऑफ प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. सो लड़के के लिए हमने यहाँ पर ही का वर्ड यूज़ किया. उसके बाद ही के साथ हमने इज़ लगाया. Another sentence structure for past tense. Here you can see the subject plus helping verbs हमारे पास हैं was और were plus fond of plus fourth form of verb plus object. So we use was with I, he, she, it and singular noun, and we use were with we, they, you and plural nouns. And fourth form I told you about before. First form plus ing, it is called fourth form, and present participles also. So next example sentences for past. She was fond of tea. वो चाय की शौकीन थी. My brothers were fond of traveling. मेरे भाई सफ़र के शौकीन थे. He was fond of cars. वो गाड़ियों का शौकीन था. Next we have conditional sentences for past and present. You can call it the general sentences. I didn't know you were so fond of hunting. मुझे मालूम ना था कि तुम शिकार के बेहद शौकीन हो. Next we have she seems pretty fond of you. यूँ लगता है वो तुम्हें बहुत पसंद करती है. Next we have he is very much fond of his little brother but gets jealous sometime. This is a conditional sentence. So वो अपने छोटे भाई को बहुत पसंद करती है लेकिन कभी कभी उससे जलती है. So next we have little girls in general are fond of dolls. छोटी बच्चियाँ आमतौर पर गुड़िया की शौकीन होती हैं. I hope you got it. Do practice it and do comment. Press the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching.